Hi guys, it's Gordon at Avolites, and today I'm going to go through the next phase of working with the pixel mapper after we have edited and made our group layouts. Like I mentioned inside the group layouts video, the group layout is saved inside these group handles that we have. To tap group and select this particular group on our group hard key and then tap edit layout, we should now see a nice layout the same way that I have the fixtures inside my rig. Now you can see that I have selected these beams and located them, and I'm in a good place ready to start using the pixel mapper. I'm going to tap on soft key D, shapes and effects, and then tap on soft key B, the pixel mapper. Here I have another chance to edit the group layout, but I'm going to choose this top soft key A, create effect. Now what's going to happen is it's going to load the pixel mapper. On the left hand side we have 4 layers. Each one of these layers we can choose a particular color. I'm going to select layer 1 and then say choose red. If I want to add something to this layer, what I can do is I can tap the add symbol on the bottom corner of this section of the screen. The console will then show what elements you'd like to use. So for this particular video, I'm just going to use a block. Now that I have this block selected, underneath I have custom options specifically related to this block. So I can make it smaller and taller. If I choose this layer, then I have custom options relating to that layer. If I would like this block to do something, then I can select this block on the left hand side, press an add symbol. With an element selected in the pixel mapper, it will by default load up the animations that we can choose for this particular block. If I choose this linear movement action, then you can see that this block is moving in a linear fashion. To adjust this block, I still can by selecting the block on the top left hand side, and I can move this start position. This black sun icon in the corner near the add symbol means that it's going to set all of the color values to 0% inside the fixtures that I'm creating an effect on, so that I will just see the pixel map effect that I have made. Now if I close this window, you can see this block moving on my lights. I can load up the workspace window of effects editor anytime I want, when this pixel map is sat inside the programmer, to be able to move and change this effect. If I don't like one of the things that I have made inside the pixel mapper, what I can do is I can select that particular thing and put it in the bin using this bin icon here. If I want to add something else for this block to do instead, I can still tap that add button and I can say add a rotate. You can see that that block is now rotating across my lights here, and if I want to record that onto a playback, I can, as always, record by channel, fixture or stage onto a playback. Now you can see anytime I fire this playback, it's going to have that block. One final thing that I will show you is if I work with a couple of different layers. I'm going to follow the same process again, but with the pixel mapper you can do it out of sequence if you like. So you can see I've already put something in that layer. I can then choose what color I would like that layer to be. I'd like this swirl to rotate. I'd then like on layer 2 there to be a blue swirl rotating. So my swirls are different sizes. I can grab that swirl even after the fact. As soon as I've grabbed it on the left hand side, I will have those custom options. And here you can see I have made 3 different effects, all using the pixel mapper, and I can rotate each one of them any number of times so that I can get just the effect that I want. Now you can see that I have an entertaining 3-colour swirl going on, and on my lights I have got that 3-colour swirl happening. But this time I didn't press that black sun icon, so those locate instructions that I have sent those lights are still sat inside them. Inside the effects editor, I can tap that black sun icon, and you can see I have this wonderful 3-colour swirl going on. Same way, recording it, and now anytime I fire this playback, I will have that red block rotating. Anytime I fire this playback, I've got my 3-colour swirl going on. Thanks for watching, guys, and tune in to the next one.